Oh no, Bad Guy Owen.
What does this say? Police officers at rest. Maybe I should go. Stay out. Wait, top secret stuff inside. Do not enter. Do not even a little. Don't think about it. Go away. I'm going in.
There's top secret stuff inside. You might as well take a look. You better go get him, Officer Arlow! He stole your stuff!
It's just so hard to get down from a bungee. Stop right here! Stop right there!
You better get him, guys. He stole Legos.
Oh, dang it, you caught me. That wasn't
What did he steal?
Oh, Lego! All of our Legos.
What the heckle beckle?
What the chief gave us these.
You better put that guy in jail.
But first, we're gonna have a punishment
What's his punishment gonna be?
to build.
Haha, you're gonna have to build the Legos. How do you feel about that? And you cannot play with them.
Yeah,
Play with them all I want.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
This seems pretty exciting. Owen Will.
The ice cream suck.
Ice cream truck, robbers. What's this one, Bad Guy Owen?
Police station.
Police City with a helicopter, a garbage truck.
We're building a police station.
A police station.
Yeah, with a robber that is killed and another robber.
What do we have here? We have a canine, a bad guy, a police officer.
Show mama or why show mama what you want.
From the hit TV series.
I'm gonna have my big brother Wyatt help.
Wyatt, what are you going to be building?
I'm gonna be building the police car and the garbage truck.
Garbage truck.
I'm gonna be starting with the police car.
Police car. Wyatt, do you remember when you were obsessed with garbage trucks when you were little?
I don't know, when we always went to the dump.
Yeah.
Oh, I love police cars. I mean, I love sheriffs.
Churros?
Sheriffs.
Sheriffs.
Sheriffs are my favorite.
I thought you said Sharon.
These are the blades for the helicopter and I just dropped them.
Oh, let me see. Those are going to go on top of the helicopter?
Yeah, lights are supposed to be right here. And these are the blades.
So that was going to help the helicopter fly.
Yeah.
What are you working on, Will?
The beach portion, but it keeps falling off.
Well, I
Skids.
It's the what, Arlo?
The skids.
What are skids?
So, skids are for, like, if the helicopter lands and it starts to slide, it can, like, slide. And it doesn't go like that.
So it's for like a safe landing.
And these are bent up, so it wouldn't just go like this.
Got it.
Or you could have wheels on a helicopter.
Do people have wheels on a helicopter?
Yes. Yeah, cargo box, yeah. But why?
Really?
Yeah.
Sounds
Seriously.
fake to me.
look up cargo bobs.
Cargo bobs.
Yeah, they're called cargo bobs. Helicopter, helicopter, helicopter. You're taking off away. Helicopter, 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 helicopter.
Mom, check out what I just found out. The back part can lift up.
That's pretty cool. See bad guys go in there.
Yep.
Well, that's it.
Now for the tires. This is my favorite part of my own.
The wheels are already good, right?
Yup, it needs to fire.
That is a backpack.
The trash truck, I mean.
No, trash truck. He said fire truck.
Yeah. I was watching
Oops.
And here to go.
Is this open?
Yeah? Then she goes
What goes in there?
to go shit. Like the go ball. Nugget over here. Bye-bye. And milk. The fish. The fishy. This guy's what's in the weight. He's what's in the Mom, open it. What? Lifting the weight. Look, he's that garbage truck. I think I know where that garbage truck's looking awfully suspicious. What? Nope, it's the garbage truck.
What was in that garbage truck, Will?
Yeah.
Trash.
What did? Wait, it's running into.
Oh, so the garbage truck busts open the jail?
I'm free.
That's so cool.
Oh, no, I knew that it was a robber.
Police officer, what are you gonna do?
Chase him.
Get in your car and chase him down. He's off to get the bad guy.
Hey, what's that squirrel doing? You forgot a little trash. What?
Let me see it. Is he a poop pen?
Yeah. Poop. Wait, okay. He doesn't have a map.
Let me see.
I'm a poop pen. So in our setup, we have our ice cream truck right here.
That launches.
Yes.
Launch it at me.
Right here.
Ah!
And we have
It launches these ice cream, melted ice creams.
And then here's the police one. The police car that comes in this set.
And they can get ice creamed.
And
That's the money that they use.
The ATM that they're trying to steal money.
It's a $100 bill.
Over here.
Here is our police.
And right here is a doggy, and right here is a poo-poo. Right here is a good.
And then this is our police station. This is our stall right here. It has a little toilet and a bed.
And right here is a beagle. Woo!
And then this right here is where there's some weights for the prisoners to work out. I don't know why they let the prisoners work out. But
In every
also, this is, I think, like the chief's area. Right
No,
here.
up here's the cheese.
And then right here is for the helicopter.
Oh, so they walk out over here like if this wasn't a rubber, and then get in their helicopter.
Yep.
Oh, and then here they can use the spotlight, right?
Yeah.
Oh no!
There'd be a gun, right?
Ah!
What you gonna say?
I was gonna say they can use the spotlight to look for bad people.
Yeah. And then this was a bad boo-boo.
You goofball.
This is an awesome toy, and in my opinion, you should totally buy it.
In my opinion, I think I give this toy a 10 out of 100.
You mean a 100 out of 10?
Yes. Yeah, and I give the boop out of. You should buy the boop.
You should just buy it for the little turds it comes with.
I'm adding my own channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you know when we post more videos just like this one. Peace out. Woo.
Bye, Arlo.
Peace out.
Bye, Will. Goodbye, bank robber.